Got a Neo Fighter nxgen GT04 chassis. Looks like it's got the electronics included. All right, let's see what's inside. Oh, look at that. Look how sweet that is. All right, so what's first? What's that? ESC. Got wheels and tires. Got motor. What else is in there? Shock stuff. All right. What else? A-arms. Front and rear A-arms. Looks like antenna tubing. Got body panels. Awesome. Driver. We got caster blocks. All right. Part of the roll cage. Look at that. That's sweet. Heck yeah. What's in there? We got, that's probably front A-arm, rear A-arms. Yeah. Oh, there's the rear diff cups. Yeah. Right. Transmission housing. Wheels and tires. And that's the main chassis plate. What else is in there? Instructions, sticker sheet. Heck yeah, go through that real quick. Real slow, so everybody can see what's going on. Yep.